Planning for the road ahead and looking forward to retirement is a major process, and it takes experts in a variety of financial arenas to accomplish this. Watch to the end and look for number 3. It's my favorite, and you probably didn't know it was possible. Hello, and welcome to our channel and website. My name is Dave Dooley, lead advisor here at Georgia Advisory Group, a full-service fiduciary firm. From fee-based investment management to income and wealth creation to individual and business tax services to insurance and estate planning. When approaching the subject of choosing a firm to help plan for retirement, there are 3 major points to take into consideration right out of the gate. Though it may seem like a cliche, experience should be at the top of your list. I know when I travel by air and first get on an airplane, out of habit, the first thing I do is look to my left. Subconsciously, I'm looking for 2 things, gray hair or no hair. What I'm doing is looking for experience. I feel more comfortable knowing those 2 up front in the cockpit have been around the corner, have most likely been through and navigated away from major storms, and probably over many years have encountered equipment issues or emergencies that just can't be duplicated in a simulator. Here at Georgia Advisory Group, we've been serving this particular community for over 40 years. We have over 120 years experience with just our 3 primary principles. What that means to you is that we've seen every family and business situation under the sun. We have, since 1983, seen every market condition and been through long droughts, to quick crashes, to long bull markets. We've been through divorces, second and third marriages, some crazy estate planning, insurance situations. Over 80% of our clients use our in-house tax services for individual and business taxes. Experience matters. The second major consideration is holistic approach. Now, I can tell you firsthand that having a CPA, an investment advisor, a money manager, an insurance agent, an estate planner, not to mention an income expert and Medicare and long-term care specialist would drive me up the wall. But these experts is exactly what you need for a successful retirement. The key is to have them all in one location. Imagine not just talking to the financial advisor, but being able to talk to the actual person managing your dollars. Imagine talking with the CPA who knows the advisor and money manager to make sure they are maximizing your tax efficiency. That those 3 individuals are discussing if converting your IRA to a Roth makes sense or not. Imagine your insurance expert is discussing your situation with the advisor and accountant to make sure your health insurance is a concern if you needed to retire prior to reaching Medicare, or having to set aside dollars for that scenario is in line with your entire financial plan. Some firms spend all their time building wealth, but have no idea how to generate income in retirement that you or your spouse cannot outlive. Knowing you have a firm that is taking into consideration your wills and your trust, if needed, are in proper order with all the above that we just talked about. You need a team, and if you've parsed it out hoping you're maximizing these areas, I can assure you you're missing something. I see it every day. So experience is number 1. 2, taking a holistic, comprehensive approach. And finally, I believe one of the most important is protection. That's number 3. We're a conservative firm. Now, that doesn't mean we're not focused on growth, but I have said this countless times. Besides your health and your family, finances is the next biggest asset. You insure your home, you insure your car, and most insure their lives. Yet 88% of everyone who walks into our office do not insure their portfolios. They literally hope for the best, that their advisor can outpick or outguess the markets. It literally amazes me that they don't cover their portfolios. We are experts in this particular area. Using options to either protect or generate income is our specialty. I'm not going to go into detail here, as there are other videos taking a deep dive on how we do this specifically. But I can tell you the number 1 question we get from new clients after our initial meeting is, why doesn't every advisor do this? The answer is one word: work. It takes work. It's certainly not moving your assets to our firm or anybody else's, them or us charging you a fee to manage it, and then simply turning around and moving your money to fund managers who have additional charges and fees that they have, who have no idea who you or your family makeup is. Get with a firm with deep experience, a firm that has all the experts in one place, and most importantly, a firm that protects your hard-earned wealth. Look around our website. Click on our video library that has many ways to help you ask the right questions. If you like this video, click on the subscribe below or sign up on our newsletter, and you can get great content each and every week. Or better yet, just pick up the phone, call us, and get started today. Till next time.